So, my friend Racheal and her boat, sailing vessel Coconut, she thinks she got propped when she went to drop the anchor up here in San Pedro. She's traveling from San Francisco, heading down to Mexico to cruise full time. And she went from Marina del Rey to San Pedro today, and contacted me when she got in and asked if I knew any mechanics, because she either thought her transmission went out or she got propped. So it's like, I don't know, 8:30 at night right now. Motoring Tritea over. We're gonna raft up with Coconut, and I'm gonna dive on her boat and see if we can't get it worked out. Where she's at is called Hurricane Gulch. There's no wind tonight or tomorrow, but it's not a place you want to be without a motor. The winds pick up considerably in there. So we're gonna go over and see if we can get her in back to where she has motor power and can take off if she needs to. Maybe there was some line through there.
It says it's an anchorage though, so
Said it was real light to start.
very, yeah, we're just slow, which is fine. It's nice to tinker around with the sails.
So we're rafted up with Coconut and Racheal. We're gonna try to get her motor going, see if she got propped or what's happening. We're in San Pedro. How much water are we in? 13 foot of water. Your shaft from your.
You can see the rudder, but it's a full keel and it's like fully enclosed, so
Right.
there's
But
not
I mean,
really.
we're like in your engine bay. Can we see your? So about to go in the water. Check out Coconut. It's bottom. See if we can figure out why the prop's not turning. Well, there's no propulsion. Hopefully it's just a line. We can cut it free. I'm gonna try to take the GoPro down and get some footage, see what's happening down there. But it's gonna be kind of dark, so
that's
I have like 1,000 PSI, so that should be plenty for just going right here. And we'll see how it goes. Racheal talked to her mechanic and talked to him about what was happening, and he had her look to make sure that the prop shaft was turning. So it's turning, but there's no propulsion. So we'll see if she's hung up on something or if she's lost her prop. We'll see. Hopefully it's the first. But either way, we can make sure her anchor's set. I can tow her back and we can tighten it up if she's nervous about it. But it's really mellow for the next couple days, so that's good. We'll get this sorted out, get this boat moving again. Okay, so we dove on Coconut, and I lost my flashlight right away, which is good. The water was bioluminescent, so it was fun. The prop's there, which is great, and there's nothing wrapped around the prop. So now we got to sort it out. And what's this little one's name?
Zeta.
Right there, Sita.
Say hi.
Is it a she?
Yep.
She's checking it out, listening to the debriefing. The underwater debriefing.
Her eyes are glowing in the Woo! She's like, what are you guys doing?
Can I see this? Can I see her light all the way up there?
Do you want to get closer to the engine?
No. Look how nice it is though. Engaging.
Okay.
So let's go look at your controls.
Okay.
Because mine so that's what's.
But you access it from this side, so could I see the
Here you go.
light? Yeah.
So you're saying when you pull it out, it stays in place, but to let you rev? In
Right.
theory?
Yeah. But well, it shows a good time to go out.
Yeah.
It's really loose.
Right there. That's it. So like we'll rev it up.
I'm trying to see by using this.
So we're good.
Yeah.
We're good. It's just
oh my
this.
Gosh.
It's great. So it's just this. Something happened here.
Weird. I can't get in there. Let me see.
See, look, Metal. You see?
No, hold on, let me see.
Yeah.
Oh,
You see?
Yeah.
So that should not be like that. So.
That's kind of the fun part.
So this is your shifter. This is happy.
Yeah.
This is this. We know that this needs to go. We shine it like right there. Okay, so this thing's just not. Oh, it tried to. You see that? You see that?
Yeah.
So when that moves, that's what revs you.
Right.
So this might
That
just need
needs
to be
to be
tightened
tightened.
down only.
Just that
But
one.
it doesn't feel, you know, it's saying there's a lot of slack in it. Oh my God, you're so cute. Yeah, do you have a wrench?
I do. I have.
That is, yeah.
Yeah.
You just trace the problem, that's all it is.
Yeah.
That's all boats are. You just trace the problem and look on fucking Google, and then you watch 3 tutorials on fucking YouTube.
Right.
It's like every Father's Day I want to fucking buy YouTube fucking a tie.
Yeah, they've helped me a lot.
Okay, that seems tight, but you know it's. So we got it all worked out. The prop was fine, which was great. We ran the engine, and when she would put it in gear, the propeller shaft would turn forward and reverse. I could turn it forward and reverse by hand when the engine was off, and so then I gunned it, and the engine would accelerate by hand down in the engine bay. So we went up top, opened up the Morris behind where the Morris controls were, and sure enough, the bolt had backed completely off on her accelerator cable. So we got that tightened down, problem solved. So she's all taken care of, and she's gonna be heading to Catalina soon, and then we're gonna meet back up with her when she heads back to Newport and do a tour of the boat and hang out with her and stuff. So worked out great, and that's that. Hi, so me and Racheal are gonna take Coconut to San Diego. We're in Newport Beach right now, and about to push off. Should be an overnight sail to San Diego, and we'll get footage on the way. So I'm about to row the boat back to Coconut.
Where Sita is so kindly barking.
Much better.
Yeah.
than, the other spot.
Hold it. The floor's a little wonky, but it'll stick. It's in front. Bye. Racheal. My name is Racheal Bell.
And what boat is this?
It's a
What's the name of it?
Fantasia named Coconut.
Coconut, sailing vessel Coconut.
Yeah.
And what is what is it? What type and
It's
year?
1976 Fantasia 35. They only built about, I think, 79 of them.
Cool. And then where did you leave from?
San Francisco.
And heading to what final destination?
La Paz, Mexico.
And cruising full time.
Hopefully, yeah.
And then how long did you have the boat and work on it before you headed out?
I had it 4 years. Yeah.
Live aboard with your hounds?
Yeah. Living on it, working on it, in the construction zone.
And then the pups' names?
This is Bear.
And then...
And that's Sita.
She ain't having it.
Nope.
And right now we're sailing off the coast of Southern California in very light wind, heading to San Diego. It's beautiful. The sun's dropping below the horizon. Maybe we'll see the green flash. We've been sailing for, I think we left Newport around 1:30, 2?
I think she came at 11.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So noon.
Okay.
Yeah, fueled up, headed out, and been sailing. It's lovely. There's hardly any swell, and very light winds, but it's nice. And gonna get into San Diego, into the bay tomorrow midday. So that's where we're at, and it's incredible. Look at the sun. See the green boat? Uh-oh. Sorry. All tied up. We got in overnight passage from Los Angeles. We did it. Coconut. Got some seaweed hanging on the hydrovane there. Chula Vista Marina. right?